I'm gonna show you how you can make a post with text for Instagram, and it's gonna be like super quick. We're gonna use this app. It's called WordSwag. So let's open it, and this is how it looks. I'm just starting a new project, and I'm gonna pick an image, and this app has different images that you can pick from. It actually looks better now. It's been a while that I haven't been using this app because my style has changed. But if you want to make like something super quick, easy, in less than a minute, this is the app that I recommend. I love it so much. Actually, it's like one of my best apps, but I just had to stop using it. So I'm just gonna pick an image right here, and then on the bottom you have like different sizes. You can post for Instagram stories, you can post for Facebook, like you have like plenty of sizes right here. So I'm just gonna pick a square one, and then I'm gonna click on crop. So now I'm gonna add some text. I'm just gonna go to my notes, and I'm just gonna copy this text. And I'm sorry if the text is in Spanish, but I spent some time reading some books, and all the quotes that I liked from those books, I had to put them in the notes because I really wanna keep them. Sorry if they're in Spanish. And then you can double tap the image, and then you can erase this text and then paste your quote or whatever you want to add to the picture, and then it's gonna be added. A really cool thing that you can do with this is like, I'm just gonna erase this text, and if you want to make like things like a little more quick, you can just go to the left of the app, and you have quotes that are already made. You can pick like from classic, so true, all this, and then if you click again, it's gonna send another quote. Then you just save, and you can edit this text. This app is like super easy to use. Right here on the bottom you have like different templates. You can pick any text that you want. You can actually change the color of the image, the background image. On the bottom you have blur. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blur, and the brightness I'm gonna go down so I can see this text a little better. And then I'm gonna choose a different style. I love this one a lot because it has arrows. But yeah, like you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can change another style. And if you click right here on the bottom, the text is gonna change, and it's gonna give you like a different look of the same style of the text that you picked. Like it has like a lot of different styles. I like this one too. Look, it looks very nice. You see? And then you can just save it to your camera roll, and you're done. So I took like more than 5 minutes because I was like giving like a small tour in the app. But if you like learn how to use it, it's gonna take you like a minute to make one post for Instagram. And this is my Instagram account. As you can see, I have like different images, and this is why I don't use WordSwag anymore, because I need some more consistency in my posts, and with WordSwag I cannot achieve that. So this is like same text, same size, always in every post that I make. So but if you want to be like a little more playful with your posts, you can just use WordSwag and it'll work great for you. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some descriptions. I'm gonna leave some descriptions. I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.